Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a leaking sunroof on your Ford Escape. This common problem is usually caused by clogged drain tubes, which are designed to direct water away from your vehicle's interior. When these tubes get blocked by debris like leaves or dirt, water can back up and leak into your cabin. Addressing this quickly prevents more serious damage to your car's interior, saving you time and money. To begin, you will need to locate the drain tubes. Your Ford Escape typically has 4 of these, positioned in each corner of the sunroof assembly. The front drains are usually found near the windshield pillars, while the rear drains are often located near the C-pillars. Gently open your sunroof to fully expose the small drain openings for easier access. Now let's clear those clogs. You can use compressed air or a thin, flexible wire, like a weed trimmer line, to gently dislodge any debris. Carefully insert the wire into the drain opening, being sure not to force it, which could damage the tube. Alternatively, pour a small amount of water into the channel to observe if it drains properly. Repeat until water flows freely. After clearing the drains, it is crucial to test your work. Pour a generous amount of water into the sunroof channel and observe if it drains properly. You should see water exiting beneath your vehicle, typically near the front or rear wheels. To prevent future leaks, regularly clean the sunroof area and inspect the drain tubes for any signs of obstruction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.